Welcome to our video on why you should start an LLC and obtain an EIN in Mississippi. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or an established business owner, forming an LLC and acquiring an employer identification number, EIN, can offer numerous benefits. In this video, we'll explore the advantages of starting an LLC in Mississippi and guide you step by step through the process of formation and obtaining an EIN. Let's dive in. Why start an LLC and get EIN in Mississippi? Before we delve into the details, let's understand why starting an LLC and obtaining an EIN is crucial for your business in Mississippi. 1. Personal asset protection. By forming an LLC, you separate your personal assets from the business's liabilities. This means that if your business faces financial or legal trouble, your personal assets, such as your house or savings, are generally protected. 2. Credibility and professionalism. Having LLC after your business name adds credibility and professionalism to your brand. It demonstrates to customers, suppliers, and partners that you are a legitimate and serious business entity. 3. Tax flexibility. LLCs have the flexibility to choose how they are taxed. By default, a single-member LLC is treated as a disregarded entity for tax purposes, while multi-member LLCs are taxed as partnerships. However, LLCs can also elect to be taxed as a corporation, providing potential tax advantages. 4. Limited compliance requirements. Compared to other business structures, such as corporations, LLCs have fewer compliance requirements, making them easier to manage. This includes fewer annual reporting obligations, less paperwork, and greater operational flexibility. Now that we understand the benefits, let's walk through the process of starting an LLC and obtaining an EIN in Mississippi. Step 1. Choose a name and check availability. The first step is to select a unique name for your LLC. Ensure it complies with Mississippi's naming requirements, including the inclusion of LLC or limited liability company in the name. Before finalizing your choice, check the Mississippi Secretary of State's website to ensure the name is available. Step 2. File Articles of Organization. Prepare and file the Articles of Organization with the Mississippi Secretary of State. This document officially establishes your LLC and includes essential details such as the business's name, registered agent, and purpose. Pay the required filing fee and submit the document either online or by mail. Step 3. Appoint a registered agent. Designate a registered agent who will receive legal and official documents on behalf of your LLC. The registered agent must have a physical address in Mississippi and be available during business hours. This can be an individual or a professional registered agent service. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. Though not legally required in Mississippi, it is highly recommended to create an operating agreement for your LLC. This document outlines the rights and responsibilities of the LLC's members and helps establish guidelines for operating the business. Step 5. Obtain an EIN, Employer Identification Number. To obtain an EIN, visit the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, website and complete the online application. This number is necessary for various tax and banking purposes, as well as hiring employees. After submitting the application, you will receive your EIN immediately. Step 6. Obtain necessary business licenses and permits. Depending on your industry and the location of your business, you may need to obtain specific licenses and permits to operate legally in Mississippi. Visit the Mississippi Business Development Center's website or consult with the appropriate local authorities to determine the licenses and permits required for your LLC. Step 7. Comply with tax obligations. As an LLC in Mississippi, you must fulfill certain tax obligations. Register for state taxes with the Mississippi Department of Revenue and obtain any necessary permits or tax identification numbers required for your specific business activities. Step 8. Maintain ongoing compliance. To ensure your LLC remains in good standing, it's essential to maintain ongoing compliance. This includes filing annual reports with the Mississippi Secretary of State, keeping your registered agent information up to date, and meeting any other requirements outlined by state law. Step 9. Consider business insurance. While not a mandatory step, obtaining business insurance is highly recommended. Insurance coverage can protect your LLC from potential liabilities, accidents, and unforeseen events, giving you peace of mind and financial security. Step 10. Seek professional guidance. If you find the process overwhelming or have specific legal or financial concerns, it's wise to seek professional guidance. Consulting an attorney, accountant, or business advisor experienced in Mississippi's business regulations can provide valuable insights and ensure you navigate the process smoothly. Congratulations! You've successfully learned why starting an LLC and obtaining an EIN in Mississippi is beneficial for your business. By following our step-by-step guide, you're well on your way to establishing your LLC and enjoying the advantages it offers. Remember, starting an LLC and obtaining an EIN in Mississippi provides personal asset protection, enhances credibility, offers tax flexibility, and has limited compliance requirements. So, take the leap and begin your journey as a business owner in Mississippi today. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty, time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.